The last option for multi-facility architecture is we talked about having ignition in Ohio here. We'll stick with our same areas of the country. And we have a couple databases. We have our local up at this point, and we have our analysis. And we had California down here, and New York. So we may have PLCs down here. We might have clients, instruments. PLC, instruments. But there's no ignition server in either California or New York. You just have the primary one up here in Ohio. And it contains the SPC module. So the PLCs and instruments and stuff, instruments are going to talk to your clients, and you'll enter in sample data, and that will go up this way and get written to the analysis database. So sample data. And same thing over here. You might read values directly from a PLC. Let me show it that way. And that sample data will go up. And that all ends up being stored here in the analysis database. Now, if I want to show control charts down here, that reads from the analysis database, comes down through here to your clients directly. And if you want a control chart up here, same thing. It's coming out. So what happens, this is over a wide area connection here. And if we lost this connection, we basically lose everything down here. We lose communication to PLCs. We're no longer collecting sample data. The clients stop working. You're no longer collecting manual sample data or from instruments. You're no longer showing control charts. Everything pretty much stops in California until that connection comes back up. So you can think of this as a cloud-based architecture here, and where you have a central servers, and it's kind of like your own private cloud. The risk is if you lose the wide area connection, what is your impact on the production in California? And you have to ask that question. If you cannot live with losing lost production or the system being down and the impact of that, then you should install Ignition down here and go more of a distributed system versus a cloud-based system.